in this video, I'm going to show you on how to recover disappearing messages on WhatsApp. So first thing you have to do is open the application, and then from here, just tap on the three dots at the top right corner. So just tap on that and go to settings. From here, you just have to go to chats, and in here you'll see a chat backup button. Tap on that and then back up. Just click on that. So just wait for it to load. It'll take just a few seconds. And there it is. As you can see, it's already done. So that means that the chats are already backed up. So if you back up chats before messages disappear, you may be able to restore them by uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp and restoring from backup. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!